Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to enable autoplay story in Genshin Impact. If you want the story dialogues to automatically progress without tapping each line on Genshin Impact, then first of all launch the Genshin Impact game open on your device, and once you're inside the game, go ahead and tap on the Paimon icon at the top left corner. From here, tap on the gear button on the left, and under the settings menu, click on Other. Under Other, click the Autoplay Story option and make sure to tap on On. Right after you do that, the dialogue in the game now will automatically progress without manual tapping. So that's how you easily enable Autoplay Story in Genshin Impact. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.